What is ESG investing? Why is it important for your investment? Besides the regular financial parameters, India now also evaluates companies on special non-financial parameters. This special parameter is ESG. By understanding ESG investing, you can make environmentally and socially responsible investments. But do you know how ESG investment is done? First, let us understand what is ESG, what is ESG investing. ESG stands for E, environmental empathy, S, social responsibility, G, corporate governance. To sum it up in simple words, using ESG, you can evaluate how a particular company performs. Consider an investment based on the environmental, social, and corporate governance parameters in order to weigh its advantages and disadvantages. Let's run through every aspect of ESG in detail. The first one is environmental empathy. Pollution is becoming more prevalent in our environment. The green cover of our planet is disappearing fast. Our oceans, seas, and rivers are getting polluted by toxic wastes, damaging their ecological balance. Global warming melts glaciers and raises temperatures. There are now regulations in India to make sure companies follow the best practices for protecting the environment and conserving energy. An environmentally friendly company would show its commitment to growth and sustainability. The second one is social responsibility. The only thing that matters in a business is profit. Many companies engage in unethical practices to achieve this goal. Companies and corporations use local resources like manpower, raw materials, water, and others. It's not uncommon for these resources to be used unfairly and irresponsibly to maximize productivity and profits. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the third one, which is corporate governance. Investing as an investor requires a consideration of corporate governance. Profitability is heavily influenced by companies' integrity and transparency. Businesses that are compliant and regulated grow steadily and sustainably. Most of us think that ESG investment is important. But why is this so? In the ESG parameter, an ethical company with good conduct that benefits society and the environment always does well. In a world where ESG awareness is growing, it won't be long before ESG-centric companies have the best brand images, have the best brand loyalty, and have the most customers. Profits will go up for ESG-centric companies. So, if you're looking for relatively sustainable and profitable investments, ESG investing is your best bet. Despite being a relatively new country when it comes to ESG investing, India is slowly becoming a global leader in the field. Growing environmentally and socially in conscious investor pools will make ESG investing more popular in India.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.